Okay, so in this video, let's go back downstairs and let's put in some kitchen cabinets. So I go back to my first floor plan, and the way that I do that, those are components. So up on my architecture ribbon, on the component button, click that, and see what we've got in here. Got some base cabinets, those are okay. I've got a little bit of countertop, only an L-shaped with a sinkhole. And I've got some wall cabinets, I think. Yeah, some upper cabinet. There we go. Let me show you where these are found so that you can play around with sizes and things like that. So I'm in component. I hit load family, and I'm in the Imperial Library. I want to go up, and cabinets are part of casework. So if I double click on casework, and then I've got base cabinets, countertops, shelving, tall cabinets, wall cabinets. So you can go in here and you can start picking out other things that you might like and load those into your project. Wall cabinets, all sorts of stuff in there. So you can pick and choose and do whatever you want. And hit cancel. I'm just going to live with whatever is in here already. So let me go up and get a couple of base cabinets. So I'm going to pick a 33 inch. I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to place one there and one next to it. And then maybe I go around the corner. To rotate the thing on my cursor, I click the space bar. And I'm going to place a couple of them over here. And then I'm going to place a couple of wall cabinets just for the heck of it. I'm not going to do the entire kitchen. I'm just showing you how to get started. There we go. So some wall cabinets there and there. And then let's go take a look at this just to see what I've done. The way that I'm going to do it is with a camera view. So I'm going to create a view. So up on the top, I've got a view tab. So I click on that. And one of my tools there is a 3D view. It's right there in the middle. Click that drop down. And one of my options there is camera. So click on the camera view, and then you're going to click once to place the camera on the tripod. So it's I'm going to put it right, I don't know, right here by this window. And then I'm looking toward my kitchen, so I'm going to click kind of beyond what I want to see. So I've got to click outside here. And it opens a new view, and there's what I've done so far in my kitchen. I can expand that view. I can click on that view window and pull the dots to make it bigger, smaller, whatever I want. I see some goofiness. Here I've got my cabinets overlapping my trim on my window. I probably don't want that. My cabinets are a lot taller than my window. Maybe I want the window to be taller. I don't know. There's no countertop yet. There's no appliances. Let's go back to our first floor plan. I'm not, like I said, not going to do the whole thing. So if I go and grab some, let's go back to architecture, component, load family, back up to casework, go to countertops. I'm just going to pick a plain old countertop just to show you how it works. So click open, space bar, let's put that there. And then let's go back to that 3D view. And so you can start to see where the countertop is. I can adjust the length of the countertop. It has pulls on the end of it. So you can make it fit or whatever you want to do. They make corner units, all sorts of stuff. I mean, you can spend a whole lot of time doing kitchen design. Appliances, those are component, load family, up to the library, and then they are specialty equipment. There it is. Specialty equipment, double click on that. Domestic, and you've got, this is all kitchen stuff, so you got high end and you got mid range. I'm going to go mid range. Let's put in a let's see, refrigerator, French door with ice and water. There we go, like that. I'll put that guy right over here. And then let's put in at least one other thing. Now I'm going to put in a range. And I'm going to put it here, and then I'll delete this cabinet that I just put it on top of. Actually, it looks like it did it for me. Wasn't that odd? Okay, so let's go look at our 3D view again. And no, that cabinet's still there. So click on it, delete it. So you can spend hours playing around with this stuff. Let's do some plumbing real quick as well. I'm going to close this view. So plumbing in the bathroom here. Component. Vanities. I think we might have vanity cabinets already loaded. Vanity cabinet double door with sink. Go 48-inch. Stick one of those guys in there. And then a countertop with a sinkhole. Stick one of those in there. I think they had a double in their example, but you might have to go load that. Let's go back to component. Do we have a water closet? No, we do not. Tub rectangular, let's go ahead and put that in while we're here. There we go, and then I think I saw a toilet. Yep, toilet domestic. And there we go. So we are getting there. Boy, that needs a bigger vanity, doesn't it? I'm going to go ahead and stretch this, and we'll just kind of pretend for now. I'd want to go back and fix that later. Upstairs, if you want, you can go up there and start placing stuff as well. So they had a toilet there, they had a vanity at the other end. I think we're going to have to end up moving this closet down a little bit to be able to get vanity in there. Component. If I can fit a 3-footer in there, yeah. Okay. There's obviously lots more that we would want to do, but you get the idea. One of the things that I haven't cleaned up yet is these walls that go through the roof. So I'm going to do that same attach that I did on the gable ends. Let me grab that wall, click attach, click the roof. I'm actually going to do that same thing here. That wall, attach, roof. That wall, attach, roof. Now that doesn't give me everything yet. So if I go look at my 3D, I still have some issues. Now I can actually do this from outside, right? So this is where I made those little turns. So okay. So now if I click on that and make it clear or transparent, you can see that my walls are now following my roof line. That one's not. See that problem right there where that closet wall is? I'm going to go move my section so that I can take care of that one. That one right there. Okay. Okay, so we are getting really close. Let's move on to the next video.